The New Balance 204L is quietly shaping up to be one of the most important silhouettes to watch as we move into 2026. After building a strong foundation in 2025, the model is now entering its next phase with a clear focus on growth and wider recognition. Last year, the 204L made its debut through a well-received collaboration with Kith, followed by a consistent lineup of general releases that helped introduce the design to a broader audience. Toward the end of the year, a standout collaboration with Southern California streetwear brand Basketcase further elevated its profile and hinted at the shoe's long-term potential. As slim runner silhouettes continue to dominate current footwear trends, New Balance appears ready to push the 204L closer to the center of that conversation. That effort begins with the introduction of a new suede-focused collection that highlights the model's clean lines and understated appeal. Throughout its short run, the 204L has appeared in different material combinations, including leather and mesh builds. However, the all-suede versions have drawn the most attention, largely due to their resemblance to luxury-inspired releases that have gained massive popularity in recent years. This new suede pack includes 3 colorways designed for everyday versatility. The options are navy with saltwater accents, black paired with magnet tones, and gray matter finished with shipyard details. Each pair features a fully suede upper in a tonal finish, keeping the look refined and cohesive. Subtle silver detailing on the New Balance M logo and heel adds just enough contrast without overpowering the design. The New Balance 204L Suede pack is available now through the official New Balance website. Each pair retails for $120 and comes in extended men's sizing, making it accessible for a wide range of wearers.